Hello guys, welcome back to Coder YouTube channel. We are here to Python for Beginners course, and in this course we want to start Python in season 2 with sololearn. Okay, let's go to sololearn website and start the Python for Beginners course. We are in this season is about strings, and in this video we want to talk about string operations in lesson 9. It's very easy. In the last lesson, I think we talk about uh, special characters that the video is in our channel in this playlist. You can see it and like the video. It is the 7th video in our playlist. Okay guys, let's go to this lesson. Concatenation. In Python, math works with words as well as numbers. So, not only can we add integers and floats, but also strings, using something called concatenation, which can be done on any two strings, like this. Okay, guys, so we can concatenate two strings together, like this. In the output, we can see spam eggs like this. Let's to run this code, and we can concatenate these two string like this, and we can see this in output. So we have an expression in Python in concatenation name that you seen it again. Fill in the blanks to produce Python rooks. Okay, Python is the first string and rocks in a second string in here, and it says that strings containing strings containing numbers are still added as strings rather than integers. Okay, so we also uh, can do this work with numbers that are string types like this, and if we do this code and try it in here, we just see this output. We don't have 4 in output, we just have 2 and 2 in here, because every one of these numbers are a string, and strings cannot uh, sub actually cannot have an mathematical calculation, and just it is concatenation in string type. Okay, come back to our course, and it is a point in here. It said, but don't try to add a string to a number. Even though they might look similar, they are two different entries. So doing this will break the code and produce an error. Yes, let's to try this. So we shouldn't uh, try this concatenation with strings and numbers. If I clean this string here and put the number instead and run this code, we see an error in here because the string can't uh, add with the number in Python. Okay, continue. What is the output of this code? Print 4 plus 3. We can see 43 in output like this, because everyone is a string. A string operations. You may not be able to add strings to integers, but you can multiply by them. Okay, so multiplying a string by an integer produce a repeated version of the original string like this. So if we write a string and a number and we want to multiply them, we just have a several repeated versions of that string. Let's go to try these codes in here. So if I print these two codes in here, these two print codes, we saw 3 spam in here in output and 4 2 in output, like this. So this is a spam, spam and spam. This is 3 spam and 4 2 numbers. What is the output of this code? Print 3 multiplied by 7. We have 3 7 in output. But don't try to multiply a string by another string. This will just generate an error. So if we try to multiply two strings together, we don't have any output and we have just error in result. So let's check how well you remember the operators. What is the output of this code? Print a plus b. Okay, in these two string in addition, there is just an ab, and there is an calculation mathematical, and we have 3 in here. So in output we have 3 times both ab, like this: ab, ab, ab. Summary. Some key points: you can include special symbol in a string using a backslash, like \n for new line, \t for tabs. In case you need to include codes, you need to escape them using a backslash, okay? So you can add a string together using the plus operator, as well as multiply a string with an integer, resulting in a repeated version of the string. And adding string together is called concatenation. We read this before. Continue. Okay, so I should complete this practice in here. Let's go to done it. You're given a task to write the word hi 42 times. Boring, right? Yes, it's boring. So write a program to do this for you. Okay, it's very easy. Just we need to print in here and write hi and multiply by 42. If I run this code, we just seen 42 times I on high string. Finish this practice and continue. It says what is the output of this code? 3z, z, 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 and finish. Lesson completed. Okay, guys. Now we finish this season, and in the next video we are going to the quiz, the final quiz of this season, and after that we had a simple project. Maybe we try to do that. Thank you for following me. I prefer to like this video and seeing the last videos in our playlist and our channel. Goodbye for the next video.